Welcome to Homework Lib.
Now you can try to reason through this, or you can actually create a small system and figure it out. So for instance, I do notice that row 1 stays the same, row 2 stays the same, row 3 is changing. So we're going to change row 3 with some operations, and we can figure it out instead of, like I said, trying to reason. Let's say our intuition is saying it's involving row 1 and 3. Then we could say we know we're going to do -2 times some scalar, I'm going to call it A, plus 1B, and now that's going to be 5. So -2 times A plus B equals 5. You can create another 5A minus 4B equals -14. This is going to help you figure out, well, what am I multiplying them by? And so we could scale the first equation here by 4. That way we'll eliminate the what I'm labeled B's, and I'll get -3A equals 6, so A is -2. And that would mean that A would be what you multiply row 1 by. And if A is -2, using the first equation, it would be -2 times -2 plus B equals 5. So 4 plus B equals 5, and so B equals 1. So you'd multiply the first row by -2, and then add row 3 to it. Notice how this works. It would be -2 times -2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. -2 times 5 is -10, plus -4 is -14. -2 times -2 is 4, plus 2 is 6. And -2 times -3 is 6, plus 4 is 10.